Today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you gotta swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar and open the notification and control panel. Then among the shortcuts, find the one that responds for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold on it. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of and simply tap on it. At the cog icon to be exact. At the following network details page, you'll find the QR code icon, then click on it, and you'll be provided with the QR code that can be further used to automatically connect some device that you'll scan this QR code with to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.